Hi gang, let's have a quick look. I'll just do a quick resume of how to get into Canvas. Now this is my desktop on my computer, and down at the bottom here this is called the taskbar, and on the taskbar I've got Google. It's Google Chrome, and this is a web browser. It doesn't really matter which type of web browser you use. I've got another web browser here which is Microsoft Edge. It doesn't matter which one you use. If you click on that, it will open up the web browser. You could also go and search in here, and you will find Chrome. Where is it? I think they're oh, it'll be under G for Google. There we go. Google Chrome. I know it was in there somewhere. Google Chrome. So if you click on that, it'll bring you up a page, and this is a web page. And what you've got to do is type in to the address bar here. Now if I just click in that address bar and I start typing WEA, because I've logged in before, it brings it up. But what you've got to put in is wea.instructure.com/login/canvas. And when you press the return key, it'll bring you up this page. And this is entry to the WEA virtual learning environment. Now this is my email. Don't put that in because I'm not telling you what my password is. So you put your email address in here and your password that the WEA sent you to get in and access Canvas. And once you do that and click login, you'll get into Canvas. Now again, this is my Canvas, so yours won't look like exactly like this. I've got quite a few courses running. You'll only have one, and it's the one with the rubber duck, and it's the 3 building blocks of Lightroom. So if you click on that, that brings you into the home page of the Canvas account. And here you can do several things. You can click to test your setup. It's really helpful to go through that. And this is the important one, click for the Zoom meeting. So what we want you to do is to access Zoom from within Canvas. If you access them separately, it'll cause chaos. So we first get into Canvas and then we click for the Zoom meeting. Now I can't show you that working because I'm not actually running a meeting at the moment. But if you just get in here and click that, then that will take you and open up the Zoom meeting for you automatically. Now just a quick look at this. We've got loads of menus down this side. The only two that are of any interest to you are going to be Home and Modules. And Modules, everything else, if you can see something, just ignore it. That's all for me. So if you click on Modules, that's where all the good stuff is. That's where everything is that I've put on the course. So you can see here that we've got all the course introduction stuff, and we've got module 2, which is all the stuff we've done today. We were trying to do today, and we've got things like the course downloads, and this is here for you 24/7. You can look at this and read this anytime you like. You don't have to do this just when we're on Zoom. But here I've got some instructions on how to unzip a file. But I'm going to try and show you that. I'm going to take you through these instructions just so you know how to unzip a file. Because some of these files, they're a little bit on the large size, so what we do is we do something called zipping them, which is compressing them and making them smaller. So today what we did was we said, right, the library and catalogue, I've got some files that I want us to work with. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to click on that, and what it'll do is down at this bottom corner here, it'll start downloading. You'll see this little blue line going round, and when it gets right round to the top again, that means it's finished and it's downloaded. There we go. And now if we click this little arrow here, we've got some options. We've got open, always open files of this type, show in folder, and cancel. And if you click open, what that will do is open this in this Explorer for you. But you'll see that in this pink thing here it says extract, because all these are compressed at the moment. So what we've got to do is click on extract all. Click on that little button there, And this tells you, well, where do you want me to put these extracted files? Well, at the moment it's going to this wherever this is, and I don't want that. So I'm just going to click on the Browse button. And that's going to bring up another browser. And what I've got to find is you've got to go up and down here, because somewhere there will be one that says Desktop. And if you double click on that, that's all the folders that are on the desktop. And in this bit, it's all the folders and files that are on the desktop. And what I want you to do is select the desktop by clicking Select Folder. Once you've clicked on Desktop, click Select Folder. And now that's going to take you to see your users file, admin, and the desktop. And then what I want to do is click the Extract button. And what that will do now, it'll extract all them files and unzip them and put them onto the desktop. Now I've already got them, so it's asking me, do I want to replace them? I'll skip them and let it finish, and then I'll just show you. I'll just minimize these, and I'll show you that somewhere on my desktop now I've got those files. So I've got rename images and rename folders. I've actually changed the name to hold. Oh, there's move folders here, so you'll have move folders. So all your folders will be on the desktop, and that's where we need to get them for when we want to import them into Lightroom. So I hope that bit was useful. Now if you look down on this bottom bar again, this taskbar at the bottom, we've got it's like that we've put things to sleep. If you hover over something, it'll bring up a little preview of what is there. So in Google, so if I click on that now, it will open up the course downloads. So you now are actually in Canvas. And if I click the little minus one there for minimize, it puts it back to sleep again. So basically it's click on there to open it, click on there, not to close it, but to just put it to sleep. Okay, so that's the part. I'm going to try and get a little bit to show you how it interlinks with Zoom, but I haven't figured out how to do that yet. Okay, I hope that's useful. I'll see you next week. Okay, bye bye.